Okay, we're here today looking at dirty electricity, also known as high-frequency voltage transients, on an oscilloscope. The oscilloscope is plugged into this power strip, and the power strip is plugged into the wall. So these two meters here they're called Graham-Stetzer meters, and they've been used in many peer-reviewed studies. They measure high-frequency voltage transients. So we're going to plug in the first one, and this is normally adequate for going up to 2,000, but we're going to find out it quickly maxes out, and so that means we have over 2,000. Now it might be interesting to notice that 25 is safe, 50 is the maximum in many countries around the world, and at 75 or greater, the electricity radiating off the wires in the form of a high static charge, it goes internal to the human body, and that's where it causes problems. This meter here is an X10 meter. It goes up to 20,000. We're going to plug it in and see what we find out. Well, actually, we find out it maxes out and it goes over 20,000. And this is one of the dirtiest environments I've seen in over 4 years of measuring electricity. I'm going to reduce the gain on the oscilloscope so we can get a slightly better picture. And we can see here we're getting over 12 volts coming through of this dirty electricity. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to take one of these Graham-Stetzer filters, and it was developed by Dr. Martin Graham and David Stetzer, and we're going to put it into the same power strip here, and I want you to see the huge reduction in the dirty electricity on the 2 meters and the oscilloscope. Okay, so we went from over 20,000 down to 128. We can clean this up further by putting another filter into the wall socket. Your goal is to get it to 50 or less, and if we cleaned up the entire environment, you'd find out that, yeah, we can make it livable. Of course, this is money you have to spend. It's been calculated that it takes anywhere between 300 to 600 to clean up a house, maybe 3,000 depending upon the size of the house. This is money you have to spend that the utility isn't going to help you with to clean up the problem that they're delivering. Now take a look over here at the oscilloscope. With the filters in place, you have clean power. Take the filters out of the circuit, immediately the power gets dirty and dangerous again. This means this is an extremely hazardous environment for your dogs, your cats, your children, your unborn child. You do not want to be exposed to this. Once again, these are Graham-Stetzer meters. This is a very simple oscilloscope, and this is a special filter. We're going to plug the filter in one more time so that you can see how easy it is to clean up your electricity. Now these meters plug right into a wall socket. It's as easy as plugging in any kind of device. I highly suggest that you get one of these meters and find out if your home is safe or not. You can't see it, you can't touch it, you can't feel it, you can't taste it, but it can affect your life for health, sickness, for life or death.